I'm Dr. Ruth Wageman, the author of Senior Leadership Teams, What It Takes to Make Them Great. With my colleagues, the team experts Dr. Krister Lowe and Fernando Diaz, I'll be teaching a course called 6 Conditions for Great Teams, starting in late April. As you know, in this uncertain and rapidly changing world, we need great leadership more than ever. But the day of the heroic individual leader is over. That old model is giving way to a newer, more flexible, and more dynamic model, leading with collective intelligence by building great teams. But how do you know how to get the best out of your teams? What can you do to create the conditions for team excellence? It turns out that there is a science to that question, the 6 conditions for great teams. In our course, we'll share this powerful research-backed approach to unleashing your team's greatness. We offer practical wisdom for how to spend your time and energy on actions that really make a difference to your teams. You'll receive feedback about your team's standing on the 6 conditions. You'll learn through online modules that guide you through the key practices of designing your team, launching your team, and coaching your team. And in the live sessions, your professors will demonstrate and will coach you in practical techniques for leading your team in ways that unleash their full potential. I'm looking forward to seeing you in April. Come join our course on 6 Conditions for Great Teams.